Hello everyone, this is Daren with Madcap Toys. Thanks for joining us today. We're doing another what we posted and listed on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. Today is going to be the silver coin rush push that we're doing because we got in a lot of silver coins. Standing Liberty quarters, Washington, Barber, and guys, we've got some other items in as well that you're going to have to look to see because Kathy and I are placing on several items at this time. A lot of these items are going to be the lower grades, and we're going to call them heavy uncirculated, a few are call, as well as average circulated coins. Now, we do have some higher coins in as well that we have graded ourselves, and some coins that we've been putting on are certified by one of the 4 leading grading companies. And guys, we've got on a few assayer items as well that are platinum, etc. So be sure to check those out because if they're not on yet, they will be very soon. So be sure to check out our store, Madcap Toys, at eBay especially, but also Mercari and Poshmark. Now I'm going to be quiet and let you guys look at the rest of this video. And just a brief throw in here, there are items that are being placed on by Kathy that we are not showing you here. We just show you a few items that we do on throughout the day. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. Don't forget to share the video, that helps us a lot. And we do want you to like it and like it a lot. Subscribe if you haven't. And be sure to follow along, guys. We appreciate you guys so much. It matters a lot to us. Enjoy. Bye-bye.